wanted to get my license, I would have to pass a psychological test. Also, the money that I had saved for a car, around 10,000 marks, was used to pay for the damages. Sadly, it worked. My friends soon lost interest in me because I was not available to party during the weekend. Also, we were very vehicle oriented and I was destined to be a pedestrian for 4 years. An uncle of mine led the local THW and conveniently lost my timesheets for work done at the THW, which forced me to work there for 14 months. In total, I did more than 900 hours. The time there did teach me quite a lot and it was interesting work, which I probably would have liked if I was not forced to do it. My parents told me that they were doing it for my own good, to save me from my friends, and that they had asked my uncle to keep me there longer so that I would be forced to take responsibility for my actions. That time ended as all things do. I left unrepented and furious with them for essentially doubling my sentence. I was in great shape and did good in school, as I lost my friends and had no interest in acquiring new ones after seeing how fickle they were.